Hey, hey, what's up? How's it going, Miss Froggermer? Min Min, Corrosive Keyboard. Hey, Terradev, how's it going? Alright, so I think I'm gonna start with color coding pickups. Let's see, I need a player. Hey, Strine. Evening? I guess so. This is afternoon for me. What? Why is that there? Oh, it's because it's rendering to the camera, right? Because it's on a different layer. That's funny. Interesting. Okay, let's see. I need to go to the pickup info. How can I... In Godot, how do you put colors on text? No, I want to customize specific term. What time do I have right now? It's 2 right there. I'll have to use a rich text label. Here we are. Oh, cool, it doesn't exist anymore. Okay. Good rich text label. BB code. What do you call your girlfriend when she's a computer program? BB code. Huh? Oh, I see you do there. So enable that. Bold. Okay, where's color? Here we are. Use the color. There we go. That's what I want. So I guess I go to Godot. And then I want to change this to a rich text label. And I guess we do BB code enabled. And pick up info when I add a text align. Hey Skylar, how's it going? I can add in color, and we'll say color. And color dot, what is this? Picked up ammo, that'll be dot yellow. And that'll be purple, how about? And then this one will be blue. And this one will be red. Item decays. Oh, that's a typo. There we go. Doing good here. Yeah, just got back from a walk. Switch to your English speaking account. Wait, why do you have 2 accounts? Why not just speak English on your non-English account? Oh, I know, I could do color dot white. There we go, predefine it. Okay, so now oh, you often stream in German. What does it matter if you're chatting on other people's pages or streams in English? So we got this. Okay, so now when I do this, I need to say lines.append text Display all text lines. Append this, and then I need this. So, whoops, not that. This. And we got this. Color. So, how do I do this? I need an example. Put the text in here. There. Actually, I know it would be easier. Just put it like this. Oh, and then this one should also be a text. And color dot, can I, how do I convert a color to a string? Can I just do that? Does that work if I do that? What is that? No, it's glitched. It's, oh, I don't want to set text, I want to set BB code, right? How do I do this in code? It's still called the label, but it is a rich text label now. I'll call it that. Oh wait, what did it, hang on. Right now, I'm just color coding pickup notifications and stuff. Like if you pick up an item or an organ decays, or I want it to show what it is. And do I do this? Oh, that's how you do all those effects. That's cool. Ah, BB code equals good. Where is that set? What? They define this, but they never do anything with it. What? Wait, really? You just do .bb code? It wasn't giving me an autocomplete for that. BB code. I think if I do string of color, it's not going to convert it right. I need to find the conversion thing. Curler.toHTML, you said? Oh, I can just look at that. And here. Color. To HTML returns that. Okay, so it doesn't have the hashtag at the end or whatever it's called. Okay, so let's go back. To HTML. So I'll just say that. See if this works. Invalid set index BB code on rich text label. Yeah, you can't just do dot rich text label or dot BB code on that. Okay, so that's obviously not working, but the text is showing up right. Color equals that. Okay, so that is the right thing. It's just I'm not setting the right thing. Oh, BB code text is what it's called. What? Why isn't that autocomplete? That's dumb. Okay. There we go. Why is that? Oh, it's got a scroll bar. I don't care about that. There. Godot is fun engine for your Unity and use it over 3 years. Okay, so that's picking up ammo. There we go. If I save a game, oh right, I can't open that because those guys are there. Kind of hard to read that against the sky. You might motivate you to try it again. Yeah, give it a shot. Make some stuff. Herpo slap. You had me muted. Sometimes I worry about that if I'm like playing games with friends and I'm like they're being really quiet. I'm like, did we disconnect on Discord or something? Love the PS1 style graphics. Yeah, same. I always get immediately attracted to those kinds of games right now. We're definitely in. Okay. So mess with the colors. I gotta test out some other notifications. Oh, I know what I can do. I can just make some timers and connect them. So here's what I'll do. Let's get the methods. This one and saved game. So I'll say timer, and we'll just say auto start. There can be more. I'll say this one. Yeah, 1 second is fine. Connect both of these to. Oh no. I can't search this. Connect to you. Pass in a string argument. Whatever, doesn't matter. And then this one also. Click. And bring you down. Here we go. Connect you to saved game. There. So that should auto call that. Did I fix the audio problem? No, I just disabled it. There we go. So we can see how they all look in there. Pretty ugly colors, but it gets the job done. I could use some different ones though. What colors? What are the default colors? Go down. What colors does this come with? Okay, here we are. Oh, cool, they have an example there. Papaya whip, peach puff. I should probably use pale green. Maybe pale green, orange, red. So, oh, what could be pale green actually? What would that be on? Maybe saved game? Orchard. Orange red. Let's use that for organ decayed. Wait, that shouldn't be yellow. Why is that yellow? Orange for ammo. Oh, orchard could be. There we go. Okay. I like ammo's yellow because it looks like ammo, right? Oh, okay, that's an awful color for the ammo. You cannot see that against the ground. Yeah. Okay, I need something lighter. Can you put outline on text? I don't know if you can put an outline on the text. I guess if I used a custom font, I could. I don't know, am I using a custom font right now? Oh, a dynamic font. Hey, Herc. Yeah, I'd have to add a font to it, which I guess I need to get around to, adding fonts to the game. Let's see what just yellow looked like. Where is yellow? It was for ammo, that's right. That's pretty good. But I don't know what the value is. I definitely should add outlines. Ooh, the pink does not show up well. What is this? Orchard, that does not look. I guess I could do a green for that. Yeah, I always save my fonts and reuse them. What was this? Indigo. Maybe magenta. Yeah, that shows up. Gets the job done. Okay, so that works for that. Let's see. Should I delete these? Or I could just pause them, since they are just test timers, or not auto start them. Hey, what's up, Friend Master? Okay. So I guess I should get to the fonts now before we stop putting that off. Google Fonts. What's a good font to use here? I like the, what is it, the default font. This one. I like the sizing of it. Thanks, Raider. Make an option to disable UI. Yeah, I could, definitely. That's a good thing to put in. Option to disable UI. Oh, also need option to disable camera leaning. Got for font licenses. This is Google. All their fonts are free, I'm pretty sure. We look at here. All our fonts are free and open source, making beautiful type accessible for any project. Yep. Hey, one sushi. JetBrains mono looks good. Yeah, I was thinking of that. I noticed that one. Microsoft ones are not. That makes sense. Ubuntu. Open Sans condensed. Right here. Toss my cup in the sink quick. Alright. It said, what are we doing? Is this going to be a commercial game? Yes. Worm, didn't know that. What's worm? What? What are you saying? Roboto. Mono. I think I want to use a mono script. Aileron. I don't see aileron on here. JetBrains mono. Roboto Thin is mobile gamey. That'd be probably, I feel like that might be kind of hard to see. Because it's going to be a lower res style, right? I'm going to make it look pixelated. That medium. What? Oh, variable axes. Interesting. What? That's interesting. Just use that. That's interesting, but doesn't fit the aesthetic. I tried to font. I don't know, but I know Google. I trust Google to be open source and free more than a random font site. What did you say, Zan Mono? All right, let's try. Wait, what was this? Okay, this one. Maybe, no, wait, which one? There's one that looked more techy. Yeah, that Share Tech Mono is kind of interesting. But I just want something that looks like a generic terminal, like, just like, where can I find this? Like this, right? Just like a generic terminal font. That's what I want. You'd go with Monotone? No, not doing that. You say Advent Pro? Nah, that's not a mono font. Lucidia console. Lucidia. Oh, that's not on there. I don't see anything for console. Language. Monospace, yeah. That's it, yeah, that's all they have for monospace. Oh, they have a pixel font. Interesting. I didn't know. Oh, that was for a text terminal, apparently. Source Code Pro? Where is that? Perhaps. Let's see. I kind of like that one. Oh no. So much work to find fonts. I wish I could just scale up the default font, because I like this one. I don't know what this is, but I like its style. Just simple. I guess, I think I'm gonna go with, I might do that one. This one's also cool. Almost before we knew it, we had left the ground. I can't stop reading it. Alright, so we'll try this one, and we'll try this one. Download all. And download all. When did I start Godot? Like 3 years ago. Geez, what do I put this in? Documents? fonts. No. Oh, that already exists. Hang on. Get out of here. You get out of here. Okay, fonts. There should be a font here. There we go. Okay, you went in there, and you. What? Stop telling me to buy WinRAR. There we go. Okay. What is that a reference? Is this a reference to some like novel or something? Okay. So next up. Wait, why do I already have fonts in here? What was I using these for anything? Just random ass fonts I have in here? Okay. Oh, I think I just imported all the UI stuff from my other game. Okay, I need to find, where's my fonts folder? Okay, let's drag in these. That doesn't work, okay. And oh, it's from a trip to Venus, huh? All that small minutia. Yeah, I don't know, fonts are just an annoying thing to deal with. You found Godot kind of difficult? People have different preferences. Okay, so now let's find where my theme is. Default font. Let's put you at Qt Mono. Oh, maybe create a new dynamic font with the fallback font data there. Oh, that's kind of cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. I'll have to put that on all of them because I don't think all of these share the same theme for some reason. Wait. Yeah, they're not all sharing the same theme. Why did I do that? Why didn't I just make... That's dumb. Oh, I gotta save this. Save. UI default. Come on. Default font. And then on here, I can put you on. The game will have music, definitely. When will the game be ready for release? I don't know. I'm hoping the end of spring, but who knows? UI. What? Wait, where did you go? I saved it. Where did the default font go? Default font. Oh, one under player. Okay. Okay, now bring it into here. There we go. Okay, so now I'll drag you onto here. And yeah, okay, so that one's right. Main menu, do you have, you are sharing, so one of these is the odd one out and this is being shared. Okay, let's see how this looks. How much did I plan? $15 to $20, something like that. How long have I worked on the game? On and off for like a long time. Since last year, February. Okay, that looks cool. I think the font is too small. Enter new save file name. That needs to be bigger. I really like how it looks, but it's definitely too small. I'll have to make it bigger. Yeah, because no one's going to be able to read that, I think. Or I can, but I guess I think a lot of other people would have trouble with that. So we have this font, extra spacing, settings. I wanted size. Yeah. Let's try that. Let's see how that looks. It's all Greek to you, but you're having fun watching. Cool. It doesn't look as cool though. I think it needs like a odd number setting so it'll look pixelated. Or no, one of these. Settings should make it look more. I wish I could like scale it or something in here. Okay, so that's much larger and more legible, I think, for most people. So I'll have to move everything around so it doesn't look weird. Make some of it green to look like a terminal. Can I? Oh, I can't do it. I can only change the outline color. Wait, that worked. It was, this one is the wrong size, or in the wrong spot. That's fine. Pause menu. I'm gonna click this. Why doesn't it let me click this? Damn thing. We got player UI, we got pause menu. I can't select anything on the inventory right now. Stats. Okay, so if I go to the, I think it should be under inventory, I guess. Stats, there you are. So you're okay there. It's ammo that needs to move down. And controls info needs to go down. And then the external container manager should be, I guess, over here or something. I guess I should move the controls info down so it's not taking up so much of the screen. Yeah, and then I can put that there. And then this info here, your label, okay. So go up, and then move the texture. No. Move this down, and then move these, no. Where? This, right? What is this from? Equipped weapons info. Oh, okay, there we go. There we go. So move you out to there. I think that's right. Let's see how that looks. Oh, and then that controls thing needs to go up. Okay. Oh no. What is that? The thing on the left? Oh, that needs to get scaled out. Okay. Settings. How are you looking? Okay, I need to increase the size of this. Yeah, that all needs to be messed with. That needs to be messed with for sure. Okay, so let's go to, what was it? Settings. Pause menu. Main options. Oh, let's get the pickup info. Need to increase this thing size. Yeah, I can just go out to there. All right. Top left looks blurry, not pixelated. Maybe that's just the stream. Hang on, I'll look in a second again. So it was pause menu. Sure you want to return to main menu. That's okay. That was fine. It was this load save games. This scroll container is too small, and confirm needs to be up so it doesn't overlap. And then that should be good. Then I need to go to settings. Where is it? Settings, menu. Settings. What? Why is it? Oh, it's because it's not hasn't updated the font on this part. So I'm gonna move these up and make them more centered, and I'll make this larger. Take up more of the screen. Label align to the right. There we go. And I can just scale it out like that. I won't have any issues for the line. There we go. No matter what the font is now, it should work. Okay, so now if I go, oh, and that needs to be moved. So I go here. Oh, I didn't mess with this one at all. Okay, so the save menu needs to be messed with. Settings. Looks, oh, I need to move the paused thing. Damn, this didn't scale out. I guess I didn't make it large enough. Maybe it's only on here. Why is that so much larger? Why are these all broken? Okay. Oh, I guess I didn't make them big enough or something. Okay, that didn't update. Why didn't that update? What if I do that? Okay. Oh, it's just not anchored right. Okay. This isn't anchored right, that's for sure. So it's, these things need to be anchored better. So first off, graphics. You have a vertical box container. You need to go to just the center. I don't think I can set this to anchor to the left 0.5 or something. What if I did that? Okay, that should anchor it, right? Okay, that one should go to there, right? There we go. And then that one I'm not using right now. So then we get to audio settings, volume slider. These should layout. You should go, no, not that. Layout. I want anchors again. Anchor to the left on 0.5. And get rid of the margin. There we go. Left, get rid of that. Anchor 0.5. There we go. And then drag these way out. There. UI's so boring. I hate dealing with these. Okay, so this thing, the slider, should anchor to 0.5 on the left. Get rid of the margin. This should go to the right, anchor to 0.5. Get rid of your margin. There we go. And then I can just move you out there. Left, 0, yeah. And then align to the right. There we go. That should fix that. But I think when I'm, for the key binding stuff, it's getting generated in on the fly. I'll have to mess with that. That worked. That worked. Yeah, this needs to be touched up. It's also not vertically aligned, right? I'll have to fix that. Yeah. And needs that. Maybe move this down a bit. No, I can't move it down. Okay. So that, and then, oh, let's go to the save menu before I forget. Let's see, save menu needs to be messed with. You know how to make a large 2D circle that looks smooth up close, isn't an 8K texture. Can you use vectors? Can you use SVG files in Godot? There probably is like an add-on for that. No. This. This should wrap, I think. What is this panel? Oh, it's on there, okay. And yes, and now move these down. Yeah, it kind of looks cool if you do it like that, I feel like. I don't know, it looks a bit weird. These need to anchor to the bottom left, right? Oh, that's the bottom left. Oh, okay, so I just move them down a bit. Yeah, there we go, that should fix it. If I do it like this, move the no here, then if I change the text in here, so like, oh, that completely does not work at all. Damn it. How can I make that? So if I change the text on the fly, I want it to like anchor properly, right? These are supposed to be anchored to this, I thought. Oh, they're not. Oh, that explains it. They should be anchored to that. Now if I change this. Nope, still doesn't work. Anchor you to bottom left. Now if I type in here, still, why doesn't it update? It should be moving this every time it makes a new line. What the hell? Why doesn't that update? I have these anchored to that. See, like, that's what it should be doing. But when I change the text, it doesn't actually do anything. That's stupid. Maybe if I do it through code or something, it will. Okay, well, let's see. If I run it, let's see what it does. Alright, let's run this. Oh, this needs to be... Where is it? What? Taking back my code. Label that. There. No, what is this one? Okay. Sure you want to see it's not. Why doesn't it update the anchors? when you change the text. That's stupid. What if I... Okay, what if I go and say... So, these two, when I change the text in here, it's updating the label, right? Yeah, it's updating the label, which is set to call the whole thing. But it's not updating those. I guess I could put these outside of it, and maybe they would anchor to the... If I anchored them to this or something. No. Bottom left. And then if I was like this, and then I'm like this. Full rect. Here we are. And then if I type in here, okay, that auto updates then. It's just annoying I can't make a gap down there with a margin. Well, hang on. If I go and I move this down, and then I type in here. Oh, now it's up. What? Okay. So move you down. Let's see. And then I could just move these inside. I guess that's how you do it. That's kind of a convoluted way, but okay. I'll have to update this. There. Okay, so now it looks like it's working right. That's better, but I can't read that. That is illegible. Enter new save file name. That needs to have either a backdrop or an outline. What's up, Campy? Okay, so first, before I forget, the pop-up for this. Controls, info. Nope, where's the typo? There we go. So, okay, we got that. And then, what was I just thinking about? Okay, oh yeah, outline text. Okay, so I need to I'm gonna duplicate this. Default font with outline. So on here, load saved game. No, it's on. No, it's on the save menu. There, that. Okay. So I add this, and I add settings, outline, black with 3. I don't know, maybe just 1. Let's see how 1 looks. This. No, still not readable with just 1 pixel. I'll have to do maybe 2. And I should adjust the pickup info. Your this and custom font. And you get normal font. And let's see. See how that looks. Okay, it definitely needs to be smaller, I think. But it is definitely readable with that. This is more readable too. I could scale it up a bit. And the pickup info can be scaled down. One of these has scale while I do it. That one, okay. There. And I should apply some to the title on the save menu. Whoops, not that. Maybe? That's nice, more aligned like that. Actually, it should be... I think it should be the next one. There, that's the new line. Okay, so that's smaller. Yeah, that looks good, I think. I could change the color of that too. Where's visibility? Self-modulate. Put like a blue on it. Cool. Okay. That stands out now. Alright, so now that checks off. Improve font UI size. Added new font. Alright, now I need playing a sound effects in the settings menu when you adjust the volume. So settings menu, audio. When you come in here, it should sound effects, generic sound effect. It should play something here. Oh, I just don't have a sound for that. Okay. UI main menu. Okay, here we go. Interface beep. There we go. Alright, that's all it was. That was quick. Let's make some graphics. I'm going to make the crash spacecraft you start from. So let's look for NASA crew things. No, not crew. What is it? What's the crew vessel thing? Capsule. Yeah, capsule. That looks pretty cool. I just need to find some good pictures of it. Hmm. A lot of pictures are there. Well, if I could get a shiny metal thing like that, I could replicate a lot of it. That's the shape. Let's see, cylinder, 8 sides, 9, be unique. Oh wait, I need to give it a triangle fan top. Where's my reference image? Hang on, but how do I put this in? There. There we go. And I need a better picture reference. Yeah, that looks good. Trying to make Orion. Let's see. Yeah, Orion spacecraft. What were the older ones called? There's like. I have to look on textures.com. You can find some spacecraft maybe. And these are all custom materials. Or they're not images, they're just regular materials. I need pictures of this stuff. That's pretty cool, but it's just one picture. Like, what were the old crew capsules called? Apollo, let's see, Apollo capsule. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Did they just only have one set of pictures? What? Oh, I guess it's loading. So I like that, but I have to edit out those lines. Are there any other pictures of this? Because there's that. Is that the same picture? Yeah, this is the same picture. There's this. That's pretty neat looking. We definitely edit that out in a usable way. Yeah, let's open image. New tab. Man, these are such cool pictures. Wait, there's no way this... Is this a real picture? Oh, they probably took this from the lander. Right. Am I going to make it rusty? I don't know. I'm just going to use these existing textures. So we got this picture. I like that. And then this part. I might just make the top flat, actually. The thing, and then I'll need a picture of the bottom when it's disconnected. Oh, it's just a shield. Oh, that makes sense. Or just find some like ceramic or something and use that. Wow, that is a janky 3D model on the outside. Or maybe it's just the lighting. Is that Z fighting or what? What on earth is all this jitter? Very cool looking. What was this? Is that the rocket? I guess so. Imagine that's what you fly in. It's your spacecraft. Oh, it's just... Oh, you can see inside of it from a distance. It's just probably whatever 3D render they're using sucks. What is that thing? Is this a 3D scan? What? That's not supposed to be there. And then, wow. Very claustrophobic. Can I? Oh, I can. Okay. Imagine that. Just sitting like... Can I rotate this? Sitting in there, looking out this tiny ass window. Just like, there's 3 of you in this cramped thing, hurtling towards another planet. Everything Z-clipping around you as you're falling to Earth. This 3D model shouldn't be legal. I think it's the renderer that's broken. Like, look at that. And then if I zoom out, you can see through the whole thing. It's like something to do with the depth buffers just sucks on this. Oh, there we go. I somehow rotated it. Valve, please fix. What is that? Oh, that's the... Okay, anyways. So the bottom part is just... It's got these cool nuts in it, but you're not going to really see that in game, because it'll be set down on that. And then, okay, so... That top part is going to be complicated. So it's got a cover on it here, but here it doesn't. Can I see it when it's landed? Capsule. This is the command and service module. And it had the, what was attached to it? What is the top part called? That's the capsule, right? So why am I not able to find just pictures of the capsule alone? What? No, I don't want related images. There. Okay. This, just the capsule. Okay, so that's the capsule. Okay, that's what it looks like there. That's the top part. Hey, P-Marine. I don't think they scanned the inside because it looks like it actually has decent topology. Where am I? See, like, that has good topology. That has good topology. Right? Like, these things, right? These all have, like, nice topology on them and stuff. Probably some of it was scanned. That lighting. Command module. Right. Okay. Black and white pixels or pictures. Can't find like a good picture of it like just landed or something. Ooh, that's a cool picture. Okay, so there's, how is this copyrighted? I thought, I guess it's not a NASA image so they can copyright it. That looks like a mouth. I want to see it with this part exposed. That's what I'm trying to find. Like, see there, I can kind of see it. Kind of see it there. Alright, well I think I'll take these. I guess I'll just take these and try to turn it into something. What's this? Ah! Smart, skim through this. Yeah, they're not showing it. They could just release all the raw footage instead of this edited stuff. Dang it. They don't have shots of... It's crazy how, like, this is like the edge of technology. Oh, moon landing raw footage. That's the moonwalk. Complete footage. Oh, what is this? This is just... lunar landing. I don't want the lunar landing. I want the crew capsule. I need shots of that. What is this? Is this just a remake? Oh, this is just in CGI. Somebody just said, I miss it, or something in the chat. Somebody said, I watched this 50 years ago. I want, see this thing. This is what I'm looking for, more shots of that. So I can get textures from it. Like, where is this from? Where is this picture from? What is this from? Ooh, is that a photo or a drawing? That's a painting. Oh, that's a very cool painting there. This is the command module. I just looked up Apollo capsule and I brought that up. Ah, images. What's this? Original artwork, part training. Ah, these are some good images here. I wish I could just scroll through them. Why do I have to? Oh, there's no images here. Underside of the Apollo. Oh, so that's the training stuff. Original Apollo crew, crew portrait, training, portrait, capsule. No, command service module. An assembly and a test. Okay, damn, that's cool. I'm looking for, what is it? It's 4 matches. Okay. Dang. Saturn V launch in-flight photos. Okay. So that's probably what I'm looking for. In-flight photos. Man, these are such cool pictures. Wow. That's a really cool picture. Textures. See, that's like the picture I want. Hey, Bappo. I'm looking for pictures so I can make some crash spacecraft thing. Kind of, I'm making like a... This is like, I want to make something like this, right? And that's where you're starting, is like you've landed on the planet and you're coming out of this. That's kind of the idea. So, I need to look through this. Look up Apollo spacecraft. Yeah, that's what I've been looking at on here. And I got a couple pictures. Like, those are good. I can use those. But I'm trying to find the top part without the cover, because there's like a jet under it, right? See this thing? I want to make something for that. I could probably just get some metal and like shade it in and put that on top. It wouldn't look as cool, but it could work. So we got Saturn doing rollout. Alright, launch, in-flight, lunar far side, 2 major craters, view of the moon. Compared period for jet. What is this? Yeah, that's not it. Okay, not that. They never did in-orbit EVAs. Yeah. What? These pictures are very cool. If I could get a colored picture also of like this when it landed, like the water landing. Severely damaged after separation. Whoa. Damn, 1970. It's crazy to think this all actually happened. Like, 1970 just seems like the ancient past to me, but it's like there are people alive who were there for this, who literally saw that. Like, that's crazy. Approaches splashdown. Here we go, splashdown. Okay, approaches splashdown, splashdown. Oh, there's no close-ups. Recovery and... Oh, here we go. Okay. Gesture. Nope. That's them getting out of the... Pose with the command module. Okay, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's a cool picture. If I could get the yellow out of it. Have you read that book about... it's an astronaut and a cosmonaut wrote this book about the space race. Like 10 years ago, I think they released it. Just to, like, their first-hand look at... These are good. It's undetailed. Why? How is that copyrighted? That shouldn't be copyrighted. The thing is, I don't know if these images are copyrighted because they're not directly from NASA. If they're from NASA, then I know they're public domain and I can use them. That is a crazy picture of the bottom. Yeah, if I could get like that, something like that, like all that scored and burnt. But I don't know who took that picture. Damn. Scroll down. Oh. Where is this picture from? That's a very cool picture. It's from Wikimedia. Here we go. Now that I could use. That would make a good shot. It looks like its colors messed with. Source is that. Does not indicate the source is from. Oh, damn. That link doesn't work. But it is from NASA, which means it's public domain. So that I could definitely use. Oh, that is a perfect shot. Look at that. It's a top view picture. Hang on. No. Look at that. Where is this picture from? Open view image. There. A top-down view. I could literally just cut that out and apply that to a mesh. If I could find the source for this image, that would be better. The one, like the unsigned one. Copy image location. Wait, I'm still on. I should go back to Chrome here. I have all my stuff in one spot. These are some cool shots. Why is that one so yellow? I could definitely use. I like the coloration on this one better. I could get that for the texture. So I got like a side view. I got a front view, but that's the wrong color for this. That's a better color. If I could edit out the diver, that would, these two would be cool. I really like the colors on this one. That and yeah. What was the inspiration to use Astro Wreckage? I don't know, I just thought it was cool. Okay, so these are good shots here. That's a good shot, except that guy's in the way. Interior. So many buttons. What do they all do? So we got this. I think that's my best bet. Yeah, I could definitely like cut this, mirror it, and then put it around the entire image. Same with like this, cut this out, kind of flatten it, mirror it maybe. A front view would be better though. I don't know, this one doesn't look as cool. Oh, that's a nice shot. Raider. Ooh. Yeah, this one shows the underside, but it's in shadow. Maybe I could lighten that. So we got this. I guess that's where the parachute came out or something. I think this is my best bet here. Cut all this out, kind of edit it into a large circle, and then put this in the middle. This will go on the top as a separate thing. I can just warp it out, stretch it. This is also a good option. I could cut it like this, cut that out. I guess it just depends which ones I like better in terms of color. I like this one the best, but there's the guy in the way. If only they knew, 50 years in the future, somebody would be making a video game using this picture. That one's pretty good too, but I don't like the colors as much. Okay. Well, I think I'll leave those out. These are cool, but I think it would be better for... I know, I could use these for, like, other spacecraft. I'll definitely use these for some other stuff. I'll save these to textures. Let's see. Folder, spacecraft. And Apollo CSM. Save. Save that. Don't need you. Just save that one. To Apollo lander, or no, not lander, capsule. To capsule. Maybe I could use like an AI thing to transfer colors or style. I don't know. Oh, we'll just see how it looks in game. I'm sure it'll be fine. And we'll do that. Hold up, I gotta run to the bathroom. All right, back. Hey, what's up, Lucas? Decent top-down picture. Ooh, that's a good shot. I like that. CSM Charlie. That is a really cool picture. Damn. Ooh, that is a good shot right there. Definitely very cool picture. But I can't click on it. And I don't know what the licensing on that is. I mean, if I just edit it in like a beyond recognizable way, it should be fine. But I can't right click on this page. What the hell? Somebody's paranoid. Okay, here's what we'll do. Save to. Literal JPEG thief. What is this image? Oh, crew splashdown. All these boats waiting. What if I hit one of them? Oh, there. It's got to be the lowest resolution photo. Oh. And then they missed the splashdown. Did they? Oh, no, it's probably here. Oh, I see. There, okay. Not really any up-close shots on this. Alright, but all these images will come in handy in the future as I make more space stuff. Okay, so I think I got enough pictures to get started. I just wish I could find... what is this? Oh yeah. I wish I could get whatever the source of that other one was. Not related, but could be useful in the future. Oh yeah. Very cool. Hang on, I want to listen to something else. What's a good indie game to listen to? I don't know. This, I guess. Oh yeah, Celeste is good. Alright, what was the... Where's the heat shield image? Yeah, there we go. This one. So this, what the heck is this? Yeah. Their news site, you still can't. Yeah, maybe if I look up Apollo Heat Shield, I can find something. There we go. Okay, there's a bunch of images here. Now the question is, how do I find one that's open source? What is the source on this? Some random Reddit thing. Oh, here we go. Oh, come on. That's such a bad picture. That's such a terrible picture. What is this used on? Why such a terrible picture? Alright. Tools, usage rights, Creative Commons. Licensable. Fuck off with the licensable. Give me something that's public domain. Okay, there's a close-up picture of it. Maybe if I could find something on NASA. Ooh, that's a cool picture. If the color, if it didn't have this weird lighting on it. Oh, whoa, look at that. That is a nice shot. Skylab 4. I'll have to remember that one. That's a cool shot. Oh, but I don't know if that's open for use. Okay, so there's this picture. What's it used on there? What page is this used on? Following wikis. Heat shield. Atmospheric entry arrow shell. No, any good pictures here? Damn, this looks like it would be a fun page to read. Twitter link is broken. What? Oh, my Twitter link? Shuttle heat shield. Well, there's like good pictures here of like the heat shield, but they're all the ones that I want to use look garbage. They're like, they always have like, see like this blue lighting because they're behind glass or something like that. Or if they're good like this, it's like I don't know what the licensing is on this. It's like, what's the source of this image? Did they take it? Intro. Do they have an about page that talks about licensing? Yes, this is the. I think I'm just gonna use that. I'll just edit it. There's a picture. I don't know. I don't know what the legal stuff is on that. I don't know if I should use that. Oh, I like that. Oh, it's too reflective though because it shows all the outline. How come I switched from top down? Because I wanted it to be first person. I always thought that would be funner. Manufacturing of Orion heat shield. Now that, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Save this. Yeah, there we go. So I could just cut that, stretch it, paste it around, and I'd have a circle. That would be perfect for the base. There we go. Okay, so let's do some image editing. It is time. New file. What is the game about? Have you not... Are you new here, the fluffy one? Oh, you're new here. Okay, cool. Well, I'll show you what the game is about. Actually, let's load this save file. Oh, that's not showing up right. I need to set that. Okay. But, so basically... Oh, and the health bar needs to be updated. Okay, so it's health bar and... Was it load game? Yeah, it was this. Okay, so the load game and the health bar fonts need to be... Oh, and the... Hang on, let me write these down before I forget. Tweaks. Health bar load game, are you sure? Pause title to be tweaked. Okay, there we go. Okay, so... Okay, I'm gonna take drugs to slow time. Oh, I suck. Okay, so the main thing about the game is that you equip organs, of course. I have like some lungs here and some body fat for max health and some hearts, and I have a digestive tract here that'll let me eat corpses, and then yeah, and I can like rip out people's organs and put them in my own body, right? And then I can like eat the corpse to heal, that kind of thing, right? And so it takes place on this, well, right now it's just a desert area, but you'll find other, it's like a recently terraformed planet, or partially terraformed, not recently. And so, yeah, there's like, and there's going to be a bunch of crashed spaceships all over. Slowdown gives fear vibes, hell yeah. That's it, I was feeling when I, as well. And they got compact intestines, so I could just swap that out. And I could like go over here, maybe equip another lung, sacrifice to max health. Now I run faster, right? Show, let's see, the grenade launcher. Oh, hang on, I need to, let's see. If I click that, then I go back. Okay, so that needs to hide. Are you sure? Load game when you close pause menu. Too many little annoying tweaks. Forget about. Probably put a colon there. Forgot I would die in one hit. Do I use Trello? No. Just use Notepad. Too much work to use Trello. Right, so this save file, I only have lungs equipped. I have these like square lungs too, I found. And so I run super fast, but I also die in one hit. Keep messing with my grenades. It does pay off. How does it pay off? Oh yeah, I need to make fires go into the instance group, right? Yeah, that's already on my to-do. Oh, I didn't reload. Maybe. Yeah, I need to make the reload animation finish quicker. so fun. Am I gonna make a hard mode? I don't know. I don't know how that would work. I guess I'd just make enemies more health and damage. They'd run faster. Still need sound effects for everything. Oh, and I do want to make the explosion spawn more fires. Make explosion. Oh, and I got a bug. Damn it. What? That's so stupid. Non-existent signal decayed, and I have has signal decayed. So that should be impossible. Non-existent signal and decayed, but it says that it has signal. I don't know, whatever. Let's see. What was the tweak I just needed to do? I can't remember. Fuck. Oh crap, what did I just say I was gonna do? Let's add in this before I forget. Well, it's important. If it's important, I'll remember later. Let's see. I am going to add an option for screen tilt. That's on my to-do. Option disable camera lean. What was the... Oh yeah, add more fires. That's what I wanted to do. Weapon, okay. There, that's what it is. Where it says weapon. Let's see, add more fires. Let's see, where is it? It's on here, weapon info. I wanted to say, yeah, let's have a call in there. Okay, there. Trail helps through being transparent with the player base. Oh, I don't care about that. I just want to make the game. And for me, it's just easier to add it to a to-do file here, because I go through a lot of this stuff pretty quickly, than it is to like go onto a Trello thing and add tasks and drag them over. It just seems like extra work for, if it's just me, it's just extra work. If I had a team, then that would definitely be something I'd use, but otherwise just no. Okay, hey Neofrags, what's up? Very visual, so you can keep track of where you are in development, health with overscoping. No, I've got like a very solid grasp on everything I need to do and how to get there. Phasmophobia does that? Yeah, but my game's not released, and it's not getting released until it's done. And maybe by then I would do something, but I don't know. Let's see, fires, explosion. Number of fires to spawn, let's double that. Then I can go here. Yeah, that looks nicer. More fires. Oh crap. Stupid reload animation. That looks cool. I'm wondering if I should make so it actually like sets enemies on fire and does damage over time. That'd be a bunch of extra code, and I don't know. Would it be worth it? Would that be a cool thing to add? Explosions don't seem juicy enough. Yeah, they need something. Well, obviously there's no sound effects for them. And there's no decals, because I haven't added in decal support yet. Oh, wait. So Godot 4.0 is not supposed to go into beta until like, what is it? Mid-July or something. So I'm like do I just want to like, because if I'm ready to release before then there's no point in me waiting. I guess I'd have to come up with my own decal solution or something. Figure out how to do that. Find a way to implement decals that doesn't lag. Of course I could, if they do lag on other people's computers, I just have an option to disable it. Godot 4.0 will have decal support, which is one of the things I was waiting for. But I do have a custom implementation that's not very good performance though for decals I could use. Okay, let's... I did get a new PC. I'm using it right now. Okay, let's go back to making the textures here. Textures. So I was going to use... Let's see, wait, why is it only going through these two? Okay. I was gonna use either that one, or that picture I was gonna use. That looks so much cooler though. But I guess I'll just use that one. Be safe, be legal. Edit that, okay. And was it this one or was it this? No, not that one. This one. I want to use this. I could edit that. Maybe I could edit that guy out, but then I wouldn't have the jets on the top, which are really cool. I'll just use that, maybe. So either that or... Where did it go? That. That one has some, like a nice view of the rust on the side. This one kind of has a lighter tint to it or something. But you can see the top also, which is good. I think this one has a better overall view. I'll go with that. Okay, so... specs, Ryzen 3700, GeForce 2060, stuff like that, 1 terabyte SSD. Let's see. I'll just cut out that. Yeah, the game did pretty good. Most of that money, actually, though, I spent came from my courses, which did really well. I wasn't expecting them to do as well as they did, but that's basically what pays my bills now, is courses. Okay, so select around. Sometimes this tool just locks weirdly. And then let's erase this. There we go. It's like it was never there. How much did it cost to finish and publish a game? I mean, I spent like $200 on a year-long subscription to Artlist, and then I also spent $100 to publish it on Steam. I don't know if I'd count the Artlist subscription though, because I use that for videos also a lot. Yeah, that's fine. Delete it. I don't know. I need to edit this. Let's see. So, no. I don't care about talent event logging. And I don't want the rest of this image. Why is this here? Just copy you. Hide that. There we go. Oh, wait. Nope. Shit. What did I just do? Copied. Oh, I only copied some of it. There we go. There we go. Okay. So now I can hide that. Now I can scale this. Try to make it round. So that makes like a good half of it, I think. Then I could like copy this or something and go like, okay. Maybe something like that. Or I could use like, if I go in like this, how do I want to do this? So like I have this slice, that's obviously the center. I think what I need to do is edit this layer with a perspective shear or something, right? Make it actually more like a slice, yeah, like 1/4 slice or something. It doesn't really stop the trash getting on there. Plenty of people still release garbage. No, I have a computer science degree. I worked as a software developer for a while. Okay, so now what I can do is rip. No, what? What was that? This. Why does it paste like that? Give me. Oh, I guess because I copied something else and it didn't update the copy. Okay, so now I can like go like this and layer, transform, mirror horizontally. And then can I duplicate this? Maybe I should stretch that out more. And maybe adjust you to, where was it? Color balance, slope, offset. What was the one that had, like hue saturation? Was that it? Yeah, okay. So I could just darken one side, okay. And then duplicate this, put you here, and then I could say adjust and this. Give you more lightness. There. Okay, and then I can... Let's move this one up. And let's merge them all down, I guess. Then I can just copy stuff. Oops. That's not doing what I want. What? Why is this not updated? It isn't working right. Okay. Right now, if I select that, it's not selecting the whole image. Why does it do that? Hate when it does that. Okay. Let's say spacecraft. Lander, I'll call it. Or something. Capsule. Alright, I'll just close this and then I'll reopen it. See if that fixes it. Yeah, that fixed it. Okay. So that should be lighter along these parts. Wait, that should be darker, I think. You are fully self-taught until this year. You can do A-level, eventually do a degree. Yeah, I was self-taught when I first started. I made a lot of games like that, which worked out well for me, I think. And I definitely think you can make some good stuff if you're self-taught. But it is really nice to have a degree, or to actually study it, because it just makes it so much easier to like program and stuff. Do that aspect of game development. This music is weird. Oops. Okay, I think that will work for the bottom. Because it's going to get scaled down, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so I'll put you on. Yeah, I'll just leave you here for now. We're at the point where using tutorials for everything is super annoying. Yeah, I get that. I remember struggling with that kind of stuff a lot. Okay, so I want to copy that. I think that's the main thing. No. Copy you. So then I can stretch out, make this more circular. This is Celeste, yeah. Let's increase the subdivision. Oh, come on, that cancels everything if I do that. Okay, well, let's just say that. Now it looks all warped on that one side. Okay. So what I want to do is just, come on, do that. And then just change, like, that should be straighter there. Like, hang on. Yeah, it is. It seems like no matter what, it's gonna. I think what I need is just focus on this side, round this out. Oh, I should make a reference. That's what I'm missing. Okay, hang on. I need a circle. Move down. Okay, how do I draw a circle here? Just give me a regular brush. Okay, so now I can move this onto here, right, to like that. So it should be cutting straight up the center. Okay, and then I say this, move you to like the center there. There we go. So work that out, stretch that up. And then I can copy that. Let's see. How do I duplicate layers? Was it Control J? Okay. And layer flip vertically. There we go. Something like that. And then I could, let's see, merge that down. Actually, I think I cut too much. Let's keep and that. And then I can just spline this in. Wait, no, stop. This is not centered, right? Maybe I should focus on that before I mess with this anymore. I don't know. Where is, here's, go down, this thing. This picture, and then just grab this part. No. Grab this. Why is that there? What the heck is that? Okay, there we go. Okay, so now this thing. I'll subdivide that, and I can just move this in a bit. That should, yeah, there we go, that did it. And I can do the same for this one. Move this in. Wait, how do I make it look so much better on that side? Alright, that one looks weird, so I think I'm gonna take this one and I'll just oh, actually, let's get this and copy that, and I can have like one slice that actually works for the whole thing. Transform, flip horizontally. I think that was right. You stepped on your Wi-Fi adapter and broke the USB. That's not good. Oh, I guess that's right. No, stop. Let's move into there. That's, oh yeah, that's where it lines up. Nice. There, and then this, give me a brush as an eraser. There we go. And then, oh, let's grab some of this. Oh, come on, now it's grabbing the wrong layer again. Why does this tool do that? It like will grab the wrong layer. See, it's grabbing the stupid, oh, now, is it crashed? I think it just crashed. Oh, there we go. See, it's grabbing the wrong thing. Smithsonian is a 3D scan. I found this 3D scan, but there's no textures on it. Did you find a 3D scan of it that had textures? Alright, so how do I fix this so it doesn't do the stupid... Do I just have to close and reopen it? And then it worked. Like, that's done. I'm going to duplicate that, or merge that below. Now let's duplicate it. And image, flip, there. No. Layer, transform, vertically. There we go. Oh, that's not perfectly circular then. That. How can I guess I could just leave it like that. Probably wouldn't hurt. Why is it not looking the same way though? Like maybe I just didn't center that properly. That's that thing. I guess I could just leave that there and I'll mess with it later. Okay, so I have this. I'm gonna merge you down. Oh yeah, the link worked. Command module. I got pictures of, wow, those are some detailed pictures. I mean, it doesn't have as much character as like a real life thing that's still loading. Oh, is it? How do you zoom out? There we go. That's pretty nice, wow. Wow, oh yeah, that looks a lot better than the other scan I was looking at earlier. Oh, but it doesn't have an interior. But, that's cool, but it doesn't have the same character that like a real life photo has, you know? So I'm gonna go with these instead because of that, but I might use that for other references. So, thanks for sharing, that was cool. Just needs like a line there, but that, clear out that. I forgot I needed to remove these red things. And it should all look fine when I downscale it since it's going to be a lower resolution. Much lower resolution. Only thing I don't like is I want these to be swapped. Like it seems like it's facing, that needs to like be inverted. So this, I think, should go. That one should go up here. Something like that. Yeah, that looks better. And then this one. No, stop. I can just like erase these a bit. So like, I don't know, what is it? Erase. Separate interior scan too, damn. Smithsonian's pretty good. Alright, I kinda need to blend those now. what tool? I guess cloning kind of. I don't know. Yeah, I could like lighten that. There we go. And it won't show up when I downscale. I don't know why I'm bothering that much with it. Let's see what it looks like if I downscale it to like 128. Wait, that was the wrong filter. Scale to 128. Nearest neighbor. Oh wow. Okay, that's really low resolution. Let's say 256. Turn up the volume. Yeah, I can turn up my gain. Where can you learn Godot 3D? Garbage is doing a lot of those. All right, that looks really good like that. Oh, that looks really cool. Damn. That looks really cool. Okay, so I'll bring it like that. Now wait. Didn't even, oh yeah, that does show up that it's flipped like that, so it looks good. I'm doing the right thing. All right. You're making your own engine, damn, nice. Impressive. So that one should go up here. Yeah. Facing outwards. There we go. And merge that down. And then this one should go let's see, delete that. Okay, now I guess I'll duplicate, layer, transform, flip horizontally, and move you out to like about there. Oh, so the top is matched a bit differently. I think I need to rotate it. Yeah, that looks good. But I'll have to, change the scale of this. Yeah, there we go. This is a Celeste soundtrack. Hell yeah. Looks good. Might have to warp or expand out the edges there. This is Celeste soundtrack, not Terraria. Yeah, that looks cool. I think I'm good with that. Just maybe expand out. Whoops, not you. Move you down. No, select this. Oh, come on, it's broken again. Wonderful. Oh, no, it's on erase, that's why. There we go. Okay, so that's good. That's done. Merge that down. Yeah, so I got the top done, and I think I have the bottom done too, right? Yeah. So now I just have to, let's double the size of this. So canvas size, move you, change you to the width, 2048. I can move you to here. If we scale you up a little bit, be like that. Yeah, like so. And then you, no, you. Come over here. All right, there we go. I do scale this. 6, nearest neighbor. How does that look? Might want to scale it more now that I brought up the size a bit on that. Where is that scale? What does it look like at 128 at this? Yeah, that erases a lot of the detail. Let's try 200. That seems good, I like that. Okay, export low res .png and save it once at high res. Export texture there. Something special, give it some glitz in chat. What? Hey, it's JXD. Thanks for uploading the streams. Yeah, no problem. Hey, Raider. Oh, the, yeah, 4 devs. Yeah, that's a fun series. I like it. It just takes so long to make. It's the problem. So much time. Let's see, textures. Spacecraft. Capsule. Low res, here we are. Change that to closest. Music is Celeste. Up. Spacecraft. Capsule. And I think I'm gonna dissolve these. No, wait. There. And then I should expand the edges probably. Or I could just scale it in, I guess. Whatever. Oh, that looks warped to hell. What? Yeah. I'm just using Vanilla Godot right now. And then I think I gotta push this down. Wow. This looks fairly distorted. I think I should use an even number on this cylinder. Also, there definitely needs to be some kind of border between these. I think. Because it looks kind of weird, like they're not... Have I thought about customizing? I've messed with it, and it's a massive chore. I'm not on vacation. I tried to get a text-to-speech system working with it, and it didn't. It was a huge pain. Wait, what is that? What is that thing? What is that thing? I'm in edit mode, yes. There. Okay, that's what it was. So I want you to have 8 sides. Oh, what? I fucked something up. No. How do I get out of subdivide mode or whatever it is? Delete you. There we go. Okay. You and actually maybe I'll just leave it like this. I think that looks cooler, actually. Oh, I know what I could do. I know what I could do. So, if I were to go in here, I said duplicate this, no, grab you, move you over to here, and then, oh crap, I just messed up my rotation. And then what I could do is circle select. I want to move. Oh, what? Okay, I want to move this on top, I think. And then, how do I, oh, there we go, that's how you do it. No, not that, yes. Move you to here. And then I can do that. I want to, like, fade the edge, though. Size, width. How do I, like, fade? I don't know if I can do that. But can I, like, have something go on a path? I guess I could just do this. And just paint that out. I think I erased too much. But I'll see what it looks like when I scale it. Okay, now if I were to scale this to 200 and then export that, I don't think I put enough on for it to actually get to the edges, but let's see. Open this. Yeah, it's not actually fading in, but I think also I do want to damn, this is where I want to place it, but I can't. Oh crap, there we go. That's where I want it. And then deselect, no, just select this, scale that out to there, and then move it to there, scale that in. Yeah, I'll need a lot more. It'll have to go in much deeper, like to there. And it already adds a lot if you have that. Nice, okay. This goes out to there. This could go like close to that. So let's get this, duplicate, move that up, move you to here, and then, whoops, no, just you. Okay. Whoa. I need to be at a higher resolution for this. Okay, now get rid of you, duplicate you, move you on top. There we go. And then let's get circle select, be from right here maybe. And I'm just gonna test this and see how it looks. Oh yeah, that's a lot better because it starts to, it will blend there, yeah. So what I need to do is just kind of blend those, I guess. How do I do that? How would I do that? It would really be better if it started like leaving off right where, yeah, something like that. So it's like that's there. So if I were to like move this, it would be, how much is that? 0.9, okay. Scale by 0.9 there. And I think this needs to be rotated or something. One of these is wrong. I think that's what it is. Yeah, that matches up a little better. Okay, so those match up. Now I just need to make them blend in. So blend that. How am I going to do that? I guess just, how can I do a path here? Path tool. Oh, that's weird. I don't like that. What? Why did that? Oh. Why did I have the opacity down? What? And that didn't work at all. What the hell? Oh, I guess the opacity was too low. Okay. Is there an easier way to do this? No. Maybe this. This seems like it'd do the trick. Yeah, and I can just go back. That's good. And then drag that. Whoops, wrong one. Who's that? Thanks, Skippy, for the 25 bits. When you use circle select, can you feather edges? I have no idea. I didn't see anything in the tool options for feathering edges. That's why I'm doing this. That, like, overdid it. That was, like, too much erasing, right? Oh, why did it put the opacity back up? Dumbass thing. Like, if I do that, is it gonna blend it a nice amount or a bad amount? That's pretty decent. That's too much. Back with nachos. Dang, now I'm hungry. I haven't eaten much today. Maybe I could just click it like this. Probably wouldn't make a difference. Yeah, that'll probably work. Let's just do that. 200. This one, whatever. Just leave you, and then there. It's a little too much almost. Drag it down. I think that's fine. I think that'll work. I'm good with that as the capsule. But, oops. I think this, oh no. Should probably be larger. And then this, like, that's fine. Could I, would it look weird if I scaled that back? Like there or something? That fits. Photo P is a good replacement. I've never used Photoshop really. I think I like opened it like once, twice a long time ago. So I don't really know anything with it. Yeah, that looks cool. I think that's a good like starting thing. So I'll just export that. Spacecraft capsule, yep, export. Environment, spacecraft. Texture, and the 3D model is, oops, no, why did you open? There we go, and then create a scene for you. You will be static. And let's see, oh, wait. How do I want to do this, actually? I could just drag in this, right? Actually, don't save, open, new inherited, there we go. Can I mesh, create try mesh static body? You are on that layer, and you will need a new material. There we go. Environment. Where's environment? I should make it more clear name. There. Man, that looks good. And then we can go to levels, world, and over here I'll just drop in right over here. Oh, that's tiny. That needs to be bigger. Definitely needs to be like double in size or something. Maybe half again size. That's what you came here in. Does it look like you'd fit? Yeah, you could cram into that, a one-person spacecraft thing like that. You start here and it's like, oh, that's where I was in. Maybe it should be down here or something. Add some smoke or fire. That's a good idea. Hang on, I'm gonna move it down where you're more likely to see it, maybe. Oh, but then you can't see the basin, the underside. Yeah. Could be bigger. That's a one-person thing, I think. What's this? Transform. That works. Smoke particles. Yeah, I could add some smoke. Do I have smoke? No, but I do have fire, and that has smoke in it. So I don't want to put just fire on it. I want to do make local, add in smoke particles. I'll just take that, and there we go. And this one I could extend its lifespan. And whoops, that was at 12 or something. Can I scale? Oh, I can, nice. Oh, why is it drawing locally? This should be world coordinates. There we go. And it should pre-process, let's say, like, yeah, 12 seconds or something. Yeah, there should be a crater. That's like, I don't know, do I make a crater or do I, or something? What do I want to do? Is that scaling it? No, that isn't. Oh, that's dumb. You can't just scale like that, okay. I'm gonna hand build the world, yeah. I don't know, that kind of works. Let's see. I would have to make a 3D model for a crater is the thing. So I'm just like, how do I want to do that? That looks kind of weird though. Should probably fade out sooner or something. Should have more size variation too. Alright, so this one, I'll just make it unique. Make that unique. Scale, I can increase that. Initial velocity. Ooh, I could give it a little bit of a velocity too, to the side. Yeah, so that way it'll kind of like drift. I think. Velocity, randomness. That's a little much, maybe. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That looks a lot better than the way it was before. Thicker and shorter. There, that'll make it thicker. You make the wind direction change in game. Either head crater or parachute. Yeah. I think crater would be cooler. Maybe I could put it in the center here. I know, yeah. That would kind of make it look like, if I put it down there, whoops, not that. This. If I put it down here, right, it would look like it created this dip or something. Why would a creator explain why the character's stomach is open? I'll tell you right. No, you're supposed to open your stomach. That's part of like your design. Like that's, you're built to be like that. Oh, that definitely needs to be deeper. It doesn't really give crater vibes. No, that's... You're supposed to open like that. That's the darker texture for the floor. I think I'll just make a 3D model for a crater. So I'll add that. Right. Need the craft space grab. Crater 3D model. I can just put it here in the dip or something. But then you're not next to it. I think you should be next to it. So let the wall and a trail indicating crash and slide into the wall. Can you make 3D models directly in Godot? I mean, you can make CSG stuff, but no. Wrap the fingers around the gun. What gun? You don't have a gun except for your fingers right now. Oh, you mean my literal finger gun right now that I'm using? You know, the left hand fingers? I don't know if I have a pose for that as a thing. I don't know if the hand pose would work for that. I could see. I do have a hand hold pose. Finger gun. Okay. That and animation player. Hand left, hand right, set pose relaxed, set pose. Let's do set, left hand pose, hold. Let's try that. It had a crash spaced at some point later in the game. Well, there's going to be crash ships all over the map. That's like part of the lore. Alright, well that's with the hold animation. I guess that works, yeah. A bit jank, but that's part of the aesthetic. It's the same. Good catch, Aiden. That looks very cool. Flying saucer. And I do need to adjust this tutorial. Man, this really is coming along. It's looking a lot better. Used your richer 3D course in a game, wanting to include. What website should I link to? Either your website. YouTube. That's cool. Thanks for doing that. Okay. Oh, and I need to make those go all the way out on this save menu. Anchor buttons on save menu to right as well. Wow, yeah, the outline, that added a lot. Whoops. And we got this. Okay. That's not too readable there against the rocks. But if I have a sound effect for it, maybe it'll be more noticeable. Also, if I could pass in an icon. Yeah, I think that would be good. Pass in icons when you for notifications. Oh, and then that's broken. That keeps popping out when it's supposed to stay in there. When are you going to start playtesting? Yeah, I playtest all the time, and my Patreon, you can get access to the demos. You can find my course. If you look at pretty much any of my YouTube videos, I have a link to all my courses in the description. So that one fit in there. Why did the... Oh, I think it's because this has a much larger hitbox or something. Let's see. Man, that just added so much atmosphere putting this in. So cool. See your raiders trying to loot your ship and you have to kill them. Well, I need a tutorial to explain how to play as a thing. That would be cool, but then it wouldn't be very easy to tutorialize that. Wait, what are you doing? This. What's wrong with you? Go to your... Oh, it's because it was on the... It needs to be on idle. There we go. There we go. Now will it glitch through? Can't see it. See if that works this time. Try and do a tutorial without text. I mean, you kind of need text to say press this button. Okay, oh, I need to pick up gear. Okay. Oh, it still glitches out. What the hell? Why are you glitching? What is your problem? Okay, that's the collider there, that box. Wait, what? What animation is it on? Should be on idle, right? Okay, that's idle. Oh, I guess just this collision shape isn't lining up with it properly. Okay, it should be back. There we go. That's what the problem was. Then I can put you in here. Move you up a bit. Should be fine. There. That should fix it, I think. Patrons suggest stuff to put in the game. Everyone can suggest stuff. I don't know if I'll put it in, but patrons just get to play the demos is the main thing. And also tell me what doesn't work and tell me what they struggled with so I can fix it. So yeah, I don't say kill anybody. Like I just said you can press this button to shoot and then there's a guy there. And I trust the player to be, figure it out themselves, right? And I need to adjust this tutorial because right now it's too easy to like break it and like make so you can't beat it because you don't have, well, I think you could still beat it, but it would just be a lot harder than needed. These need a bigger collider. There, now it works. Okay. Oh, but you can't even see it. Okay, I'll adjust that later when I'm tweaking stuff. You get the course after Christmas? Cool, thanks. Let's see, just make sure you have programming experience, because if you don't, it'll be a little... That needs to get shrunken when it... I think. Oh well. Let me mark that. It does expect a little bit of programming experience, or understanding the basics. Oh, okay, so, okay, cool, yeah. It's so satisfying. Dang. It's starting to feel like a game. I mean, it's just like these two areas, but it's really starting to feel like something now. Like I can see the potential, you know? I feel like I'm in a world now. This stuff, I need to put better textures on this. This I'm probably gonna get rid of. Replace those with explosive barrels. This, yeah, same. Yeah, these flat, boring textures don't look good. Yeah, Python is very similar to GDScript. There are some things like you have to type var when declaring variables and stuff like that. And it doesn't have as good, like, I guess how it uses loops. Wait, was it loops or string manipulation? I can't remember. I just remember there's like lots of little things you can't do that you can do with Python that are really convenient. Ooh, there we go. Oh, but there's no more enemies. Love the jet effect. Jet effect. Organs do rot. You can see the durability right here. Once it hits 0, then they become useless and you have to replace them. Maybe they should turn sharper because a lot of them miss, it seems like. Oh, Jeff, I don't know, I didn't play Fallout 4. Wait. Where did the other guy go? Oh, I guess they're all dead. The tick gun. Wondering if I should make the ticks turn sharper though, because it seems like they miss a lot of their shots. It was fun to see it go in slow motion though. Whoops. The lines that follow the shots, I just pulled that from a trail asset off the Godot library. I didn't make that. There will be animals. That's the next devlog is going to be after I finish all this stuff and make a devlog about this. Okay. What should I do? I spent a bunch of time on the graphics, so I feel like I should quickly... I should work on stuff. Disable UI option, disable camera lean. No game reach. Okay, all of these need tweaking on the text bar. So let's go to the player. Health bar, where's the health? There. And it needs to be a little larger. That's a health bar. Is it normal for enemies to be super difficult from the start? Probably not, but I feel like if you can slow down time, they won't be that difficult. Alright, so that health bar looks right. Got that tweaked. Load game, are you sure? What is that under? This, okay. So this thing, these need to go under the panel, and they need to be to the bottom left. Oops. There. Maybe beginner's enemies should have simpler movement. Make them easier to hit. Well, the first one just has 1 health, and the other 2 are the regular ones. And it's literally right after a save file, so, or right after a save point, so I feel like you have a better chance. Ooh, that is not. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I can just put the theme onto here and then test it out. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Seems good. And pause. Title, where's the title? Okay, so that should go at the top of the screen. Center top, move that down, and it needs a custom font. Make that unique, and make it really large. Oh, come on. If you click and drag here, it like moves your mouse to the top. That's done. Okay. There. Okay, pause. Let's see. That's good. Oh, why is this not centered? Oh, I guess because I added in right. Pause main options. Center. Is this still Celeste? Damn, this game has a good soundtrack. Okay, let's try that. Alright, maybe beginning, remove frustration comes. Kept dying at the start, you just refund the game. That's fair, yeah. Oh no, what? Why is this button not working? God damn it. Something's overlaying it, isn't it? Oh, now you fix all these. God damn it. The controls. Super predictable movement. There were things like bats and skeletons are less predictable. Maybe I will put a simpler... Yeah, once I make new enemies, I'll put a simpler enemy there. That would work. Okay. That button isn't working anymore, goddamn. Oh, this looks cool. Dang, this looks really cool. Are you supposed to be able to read that? Though, because I can't really. Is it just that resolution? Oh, that's funny. Wait, does it straight up just go to the website actually and render it? So that's actually YouTube. That's not a video clip. That's pretty cool. It just draws the website. Damn. Not an actor. Okay. Where is it generating in? Okay, first off, let's fix the settings menu. When it generates controls. The controls it generates is doing the change key binding button. Change key binding button. How'd you get it to draw the website in there? It's just, will I be streaming tomorrow? Probably. Anchor, left, top, why are these all 0.5? Why are all these settings weird? Get rid of all these. Get rid of all this. Let's see, so settings menu. Let's just drop on the theme. Oh, that broke it. Okay, I see. So you do need it to be, let's see, right 1, left 0.5. Emulating a custom version of Chromium. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so this needs to be, have a bit of a margin, maybe like 100 or something. Margin on the right, like 30, let's say. There. Okay, that looks good. And then the label, align to the right, and just be really large that way. Okay, that fixed it, I guess. But now the mouse sensitivity is off. There, that looks better. I think it's like 1 pixel off, but okay, that would annoy me, so I'll put it back. Do you stream editing the devlogs? I haven't before, and I don't think I will. I'll probably just take a day off for that. It'd be too much work. I think it would just be too awkward to stream that while I edit it. Playing Flash games, new game. Flash isn't supported anymore. Oh, let's see. Okay, so that, fix that. Hide the are you sure? Let me close the pause menu. Okay, so pause menu is over here. And where's the confirm overwrite? Where is that? What sets this here? What is connecting to that? Right, this is pause. This is not pause menu. Fucking shit. This. Hide, are you sure on load game when you close the pause menu? Ah, that's what it is. I should just add a method for that. And then when I close this, I just say load saved game. There. HTML5 videos of pain. Jeez, yeah. You should share that on the Godot subreddit. People think that was really cool. So if I do this, it says, are you sure? And then, oh, that needs to be moved out. Yeah, I'll move it over here. Are you sure? And then if I hit back, I say that. Okay, it's gone. Good. Not this one. Okay. Saved game. Oh, that one's not anchoring either. What the hell? Oh man, it's snowing like crazy outside, I think. It's been snowing a lot these past few days. Alright, so if I go to load save menu, vertical box container. So we got this scroll container and then a vertical box container. And it's got this annoying thing. If I do this, I want it to anchor all the way to the right, right? So what would I do? Anchor 1? Oops, 1, right? That does not give me anchoring all the way to there. And I can't do that. It's like, what? How far away are you from creating an open world? I mean, I'm kind of working on that now. I've added a lot of the base elements to make a decent open world, but not for a while. Or not for a while that there's like actual quests and stuff. Okay, that. It's gonna be pretty non-linear. That's what my next devlog is gonna talk about. My like kind of open world design philosophy. Why does this? How do I get this? So I spawn in a button as a child of this vertical box container, right? Anchor, do I put this one to the right? Okay, and then I could say, yeah. Why does this, what? Why does that anchoring it put it way out there? That's weird. Okay, so this, maybe it's because this is here. Oh, what? And then if I put you at 1. Oh, what? And then it resets the anchor. You can't actually have the vertical box anchor to the right? What the hell? Like, what? So if I... And then it instantly resets. What? What is the point of this? It's so dumb. Why can't you just anchor things in here to the right? I think you can only set their minimum size or something. That's so annoying. They do the save game button, right? or just have a minimum size or something. I forget where it gets set though. Okay, that's the one that did it. Not this one. Did this do it also? I guess they both did. Kinda. Whatever. I can't be bothered to figure that one out. Okay, what do I want to add next? Oh yeah, fires. They need to go into the instance group. Where? Oh, here they are. Okay, so if time, then also add to group instanced. I think that should be good enough. Now if I go to the world, say this. Am I gonna do a public beta test? Maybe, I don't know. I could. Once I get some fair amount of content out there, it'd be fun. Wait, I wanted 6. I need to move that, damn it. Okay, so what I need to do is check. Okay, now if I load the game, they're gone. Okay, cool. That was a problem before. They weren't disappearing when you reload the scene. There we go. Okay. Weapons. If I switch between weapons right now, halfway through a reload, it breaks and stays stuck when you switch back, and it looks weird. So I want to put it weapon. Okay. So when I do this, when I switch between weapons, it should have, there's a set active, set inactive, right? And for some reason it doesn't seem to want to do this. Print set active. Neat. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. So if I do this, see, set active, set inactive. I don't know why it does it twice. Oh, right, because it's doing it for the third person model as well. So it sets it inactive, and then it sets it active. There we go, okay. But it's not playing the correct animation. Why is it not? It should be playing an animation now, right? Say, play this animation. Why is it not playing it? Oh, maybe because that animation doesn't control all the aspects of it. Ah, that would make sense. Okay, so that's all I need to do is just upgrade. Let's do double barrel. Let's do shotgun and grenade launcher. Both need to be fixed. So animation player equip. So I'm gonna go to reload. This is setting the base, and all these are being set to visible. Oh, that doesn't matter. Setting the barrel pivot. Okay. So when I call equip, it should set the barrel pivot as well. Now if I go to the shotgun, it's also doing something like that. It's rotating the, so it's got the base and the barrels, so it's rotating the barrels. Equip, so I need to get the barrels and say keyframe your rotation. Why is, oh, interesting, okay. I don't know why I closed that. Alright, let's see. Nice, okay. If I do this. Okay, and I need to make the animation finish a little sooner because if I switch right there, you still have to reload. Right? So does the reload animation control that somehow? Is just when it's done or something? Get loaded clip. Like, is it just when it's done? What does the weapon script do? Explosions should throw up dust. Good idea. I'll write that down. Let's see. Okay, so when I reload, what's the code for this? I call the reload method, and then I say reload. Okay, do all this. Oh, I know what I should do. Let's see. Okay, see, when is this called? On animation finished. What I should do is see how far along our animation is. And when we switch, if it's like at 90% or something, if you switch weapons at 90%, then it will call the finish reload method. Okay, so let's see, set inactive. If animPlayer dot current animation equals reload, and let's see, anim dot, how do you get reload? Let's see, animation player. Let's see, get animation. Okay, so that returns an animation. Then I can get the length of it, and can I get, how do I get where we currently are in it? So I get that dot length. But if I want to get current time, how do I get the current time? Find animation, get animation, get blend time, get playing speed, get cue. Blend time isn't it, right? Oh. How do I get the current location, where we are right now in an animation? Is there no way to do that? Current animation position attribute, okay. that's what it is. Current animation length and current. Oh, okay. Okay, so current animation length. Just current length and player dot current animation position. Okay, so if the current animation is reload, then get our position over the length and var whatever, I'll just use a value. So that'll get a value between 0 and 1, and I'll just say if p is greater than 0.9, call finish reload. So then if I swap weapons right as the animation's finishing, it'll still count as a complete reload. So, because that is annoying. I've happened that many times while playtesting, where I'll like swap and it didn't reload when I thought it did. There, I think that was it. Nope. Damn it, hang on. Damn, that wasn't close enough. Okay, let me see. Print P. Alright, that was 0.75. Okay. Okay, so that was 0.8. Definitely it was 0.875. Okay. So that, okay, I think I should do 0.8. That's a little more forgiving. Or I could add a flag to the animation. I'm not sure. Because if I have a weapon with a really long animation, I'd probably want some kind of flag for it. No, this isn't Windows 7, this is Windows XP. Okay. So let's say 0.8, let's see how that looks. Wait. There, I think that should be good enough. That should be good enough for now. But in the future, I may change that. Okay, I've been going for 3 hours and 40 minutes, so I think I'm gonna stop there. I'm getting pretty hungry. So thanks everyone for stopping by. I'm just gonna back this up, and then I'll find someone to raid. Oh, Window Girl. Sorry. Oops. Git add star commit -m. And I'll just write this commit message. Improved the font UI font size, added new font, plays sound effects. Sound effect, play in settings menu when adjusting sound effects volume, made explosions, create more fires, added crash spacecraft, graphics at start spawn point, made fire, add to fires, add to instance group if they have a burnout time, made reload complete slightly before animation is done. And fixed animation being wrong when switching halfway through a reload. There we go. Push. Okay, let's go. Look for someone on Twitch. Be here tomorrow. Cool. I'll see you then. Let's go find some game developers. Lana's on. Oh, they follow me on Twitter. Making a bullet hell deck builder. That sounds cool. I think I've raided everyone else here before, so I'll raid them. Let's see. Just wait for the ad to finish. /raid. Wait for the ad. Okay, ad is over. Let's see what they're working on. 2 a.m. for you. Damn, 6 p.m. Alright, let's go raid them. Alright, thanks for everyone for joining. I'll see you tomorrow. Make some more games. Donkey's playing more Cyberpunk. Should go to bed. Probably. Alright, see ya.